So using clean hands, I'm gonna remove the needle holder from the pouch, take it out, and I'm gonna document the sterilization load number on the ROT for keeping record. I'm gonna sanitize my hand and put gloves on. So now that I have my gloves on, I'm gonna load the needle holder with the carpio. So first, I'm gonna retract the piston using my thumb all the way, and I'm gonna load the carpio on. So now that I have the carpio on, I'm gonna place my needle on. So I'm gonna remove the clear white cap, put it on a gauze, and screw the needle on. So now that I have my needle screwed on, I'm gonna use a card index to remove the cap. So now that I removed my cap, I'm gonna dispense, I'm gonna apply some pressure and dispense some of the local anesthetic on a gauze away from the patient. Some of the local anesthetic, I'm gonna put the cap back on, again using the card index. I'm gonna demonstrate and verbalize how to unload the needle. So again, pulling onto the piston all the way, and so to take the cartridge out. Now that I took the cartridge out, I'm gonna put it in a Sharpies container and untwist my cap. Now that I untwisted my cap, I'm gonna use the card index to put the clear cap on. Remove the index card, and again it's gonna go in the Sharpies container. And now I'm just gonna package my needle holder and put it away for re-sterilization. Thank you for watching.